My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the online scam claiming to be the message from Windows support. However, this message is absolutely faulty. It is not related to Windows support. These pop-ups are fake and deceptive, and you should not ever interact with them. They quote this fake Windows support number +1 530 522 3318. But this is actually a fake Windows support number, so don't trust these deceptive pop-ups. Don't interact with these fake alerts. Such pop-ups can be the result of some adware on the system, so we recommend you to thoroughly research your computer with the help of reliable antivirus program such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com, so download the program, install the application, and then begin carefully researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete all other threats fully from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.